Hello students, in this video you are going to see the different ways of how you can say finish, or the different ways of how you can use the word to finish in English and Luganda. Lero tugenda kulaba engeri ez'enjawulo ez'okugambamu maliriza mu Luzungu n'Oluganda. Okay, let's get started. Number one, you can say I am done. Let me use this marker. You can say I am done. I am done. Remember, we looked at using pronouns. For example, I, you, we, they. So for instance, you want to tell someone, malirizo yagagamba muntu maliriza ogenda gamba, I am done. Instead of using this, finish, I have finished. You can say, I am done. Can you repeat that? I am done. Super. I am done. I am done in Luganda can be maliriza. Oops, what's wrong with these markers? Can be maliriza. Maliriza. Inze maliriza. Or you can include inze maliriza. Inze maliriza. So I am done. It means to finish in English. If you don't use to finish, you can say I am done. Maliriza. Oba inze maliriza. Can you repeat that? Maliriza. Super. Oba inze maliriza. Good. You can also say I have finished. Are we together? So I have finished. It means I am done. I have finished. Can you repeat that? I have finished. I have finished. I have finished can be maze. Maze. Maze byembadde inkola. Maze jembadde ngenda. Maze. Oba it can also mean maliriza. The same thing. Maliriza. Are we together? So you can say I am done. Inze maliriza oba maliriza. Another sentence you can use, I have finished the work. Inze maze work oba maliriza work. Are we together? Super. Okay, let's have another phrase. You can say I am getting done. Good. I am getting done. So you are almost finishing whatever you are doing. So I am getting done. I am getting done in Luganda kiri inze natera okumaliriza. Tuli fenna. I am getting done. So you are almost getting done with whatever you are doing. I am getting done. Are we together? Inze natera, I am almost. Natera, inze natera okumaliriza. Tuli fenna. Inze natera okumaliriza. Inze natera okumaliriza okunaaba. Inze natera okumaliriza okulya emmere. Are we together? So I am getting done. Inze natera okumaliriza. Tuli fenna. Okay, tweyongereyo. Let me first get another marker. Okay, you can also use it is completed. It is completed. For instance, you've been carrying out some duty, and after getting done or after finishing it, you say it is completed. The work is complete. It is completed. Are we together? Super. It is completed in Luganda. Ogenda gamba kiwedde. Kiwedde. Kiwedde okolebwa. For instance, the work is done. Kiwedde okukolebwa. Are we together? Kiwedde okukolebwa. Kiwedde okukolebwa. Oba oyinza ogamba, since you've used it is completed, you can use kyo kiwedde. Are we together? Some people say kyo kiwedde teweralikira kyo kiwedde. It is completed. Kyo kiwedde. Ndowooza tuli ffenna. Can you repeat that? Kiwedde. Super. Kiwedde okukolebwa. Super. Kyo kiwedde. Tuli ffenna. Okay, don't forget here we learn English and Luganda with ease. Wano tuyiga olulimi Oluzungu n'Oluganda mu bwangu. It has ended. It also means finished. It has ended. Can you repeat that? It has ended. Good. It has ended. It has ended. It means kiwedde. Kiwedde. Kyo kiwedde, the same thing. It has ended. It means it is done. Oba it has finished. Kyo kiwedde oba kiwedde. Tuli ffenna. So it has ended. It also means the same thing, to finish. We also have this word conclude. Conclude. You tell someone to finish up the work. So conclude, please. Conclude. It's maliriza. Maliriza. You tell someone, conclude please. Maliriza bambi. Are we together? Maliriza bambi. Maliriza byembadde nkola. So maliriza byokola. Conclude please. Tuli ffenna. Okay, let's proceed. You can also say finalize. Finalize please. Finalize. Finalize please. Finalize with whatever you are doing. Maliriza mu buli kimu chokola. So finalize please is maliriza bambi. Maliriza bambi. Finalize please. Maliriza bambi. Are we together? So those are the different ways of how you can say finish in English and Luganda. Let's go through them. I am done. Maliriza. Or inze maliriza. I have finished. Maze. Oba maliriza. So you can use one of the two. I am getting done. Inze natera okumaliriza. Another one. It is completed. Kiwedde okukolebwa. Oba kyo kiwedde. Another one. It has ended. Kiwedde. Conclude. Maliriza. Finalize please. Maliriza bambi. Okay, thanks very much for watching. And if you do find this video amusing, so you can send in your support using the super thanks icon. Let's meet up in the next video. Bye bye. Wherever.